Bonjour fellow tech enthusiasts, and welcome to your go-to video guide for diving into the world of Linux on Azure. Today, we'll unravel the key aspects of running Linux in the Azure cloud, a powerful tool to expand our horizons in the IT sphere. Ready to get started? Don't forget to visit neeraj.qzz.io and hit subscribe to TechLab for more valuable insights. First off, let's understand what Linux on Azure offers. Azure provides a pre-configured Linux environment in its virtual machine marketplace. This allows you to deploy Ubuntu or CentOS with SSH enabled with ease. No need to spend hours on setting up the basic OS layer. You can launch your cloud server with pre-installed applications like Apache Web Server, MySQL, or Nginx. Example, let's say we want to deploy a simple Ubuntu VM with Apache installed. Here's how to do this. 1. Go to the Azure Marketplace and find the Linux with Apache Web Server Quick Start Guide. 2. Click on the Create button to start the creation wizard. 3. Follow the prompts to select the region, plan, and resources, like the VM name and size. 4. Azure will automatically set up a fully configured Ubuntu VM with Apache Server installed. Moving forward, it's crucial to understand how to manage your Linux VM from Azure. The Azure portal gives you a user-friendly interface to access your VM. But don't stop there. Using PowerShell scripts, you can automate various tasks and manage your VM in a much more streamlined and efficient manner. Example, let's assume you want to retrieve CPU usage information from your VM using a PowerShell script. You can write a simple script like this one. Invoke as vmin command, resource ID of your VM, command list name default instance view, error action stop simply, find the resource ID of your VM, run it, and PowerShell will give you the CPU usage for the VM. Lastly, one cannot ignore the role of CLI on Linux. Azure CLI is a command line tool for managing Azure resources and can be run both on Linux sys.